Hello, welcome to Mr. Mage Magento tutorial classes. Today we are going to show you how to export products using Magento profiles. So let's begin. Please open Magento admin panel and move to System, Import Export, Data Flow Profiles and click it. So it's open. Now please click Add New Profile button. Okay, now we can see default blank new profile form. It consists of profile information, file information, data format, and field mapping. Now we are going to choose direction from import to export. So let's select export. Okay, as we see, there is an additional menu for export filters. So we are going to tell it a few words next. First of all, we have to choose profile name. For example, it could be products export test. Entity type should be by default products, so we are going to export products. Direction, it's export as we said before. Store should be default admin values, but if you want to export values from store view level, you should choose default store view, it's my example store, or second store view. So you could have different store views on your website. So let it be default admin values by default. Okay. File information, data transfer should be default. No need to change here. Type could consist of local server and remote FTP. I will use local server because my Magento is running on my local machine. Or you mostly should choose local server because you can log in to your server by FTP. If you choose remote FTP, it will export the file to remote FTP that you will provide in this setting. For example, we have host field, username field, and password field. That's enough to export. That's enough fields to export by FTP. So let's use local server. In that case, we need to set file name. For example, it could be products test.csv. We are going to export in CSV. And path should be var export. Usually we use this path, but you can choose any path to the folder that you will provide here and should be readable. Okay. Type should be CSV as we discussed before, that we will export in CSV format. Okay. Value delimiter and then close values should be by default. Original Magento attribute names in first row I would set yes, because it's very hard to determine what field in exported CSV file, so let it be yes. Export all fields. I prefer to use mapping here because there are many system attributes in Magento that we don't need it, so we can skip it by mapping fields that we need. So let's click on the mapped fields. Okay, here we can see that another panel is shown. It's field mapping. So let's add field mapping by pressing Add Field Mapping button. Okay. As a first field, we have to set store. store field. The second should be websites. And third should be attribute set. Fourth should be type. I don't see it. Where is type? Type. And for example, we can add categories. So we have to add some unique field. And products it SKU field. Let it SKU. SKU is set. Okay. And we can add another field, for example, name. Okay. So field mapping is set. You can add any fields you want here and that way that we did. So I think it's quite clear here. The last section is export filters. So you can set name filters, SKU filter, type. So type, it means there are Magento simple products, group products, configurable products. You can export products, for example, only simple, only grouped, or configurable, etc. So let it be any type. Attribute set as well could be as filter. Price, from to stock quality, from to visibility. So visibility is very useful filter. Let it be catalog search. Or status. Status is also very useful, so we don't need disabled products mostly. Okay, let it be enabled. So that's all. So we have to push save and continue edit button. It's loading. Okay, so we are set all required fields, and now we are ready to export our products. So let's move to Run Profile tab and click on it. Here we can see Run Profile button, and what we need to do just to press it. Go in. So we can see that our file successfully exported and its name is products test CSV. Let's find him. Data. Var export. So we can see this exported file. So let's open it. So I choose text field and press OK. So as you can see, file has exported. Thanks for watching.